Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to update the applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to update applications on this watch, your watch needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi network because it's gonna make stuff a lot easier, and also you will need to be you will need to have a Google account added to your watch so you can use the Google Play services. To connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network, you can simply go to settings, connectivity, Wi-Fi, and here you can tap on add networks and basically add network right here from the list. And to add the Google account to your watch, you will need to open the settings again, find the option called, I believe it's gonna be general, no, not general, Google, here, Google accounts, and here you can tap on add Google account. It will redirect you to the phone that your watch is paired with, and you can use it to add the Google account. And once you have the internet connection and added the Google account, we can continue. And now to update the application, we need to open the Google Play Store. So press the upper button to open the menu, then find the Google Play Store icon. Once you find it, tap on it. In the Google Play Store, you should see the home page, this one. And once you see it, you can scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you will see Manage Apps. Here tap on this option, and we have the list of updates available. Find the app you want to update, tap on it, and then tap on the update button, and it's gonna start downloading the update. And once it's done updating, you will see that the app disappears from the list. It should be done quite soon. Okay, as you can see, the update is done installing, and now we can go back. You can also tap on this update all button, but it might take some time for the all applications to update, so I won't do it right now, but if you want to update all of the applications, you can do it yourself. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you update the applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.